హాయ్ గైస్, వెల్కమ్ టు సోషల్ పోస్ట్. ఈ రోజు మనతో స్టూడియోలో నరసింహ సార్ గారు ఉన్నారు. ఎలా ఉన్నారు సార్? వాట్ ఈస్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ అండ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ మీన్స్ స్పీకింగ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఓన్లీ?
So generally, there's a misconception that most of the people feel that what communication skills means
ఇంగ్లీష్.
English. It's not English. Communication means what? What do you want to say to the people, right? What do you want to communicate?
విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ లాంగ్వేజ్.
Any language.
ఓకే.
Either it might be your body language. Your body language. Now only we spoke about our body language. Body language matters most. So the thing is, whatever you want to say, you have to communicate. For example, take a dog. Dog communicates to a dog by its barking or something like that.
Yeah.
It's communicating its way. Birds, they coo,
Yeah.
right? Take for example, any kind of animal. So their body language is different. Means what? Either the smell or something like that, they leave. They attract the other birds, they attract the other animals. They have their own communication. Every bird, every animal, it has its own communication.
Yes.
They don't know English, right? Obviously,
They
animals
don't even speak
yes.
like humans.
As we are human beings, we speak. So you are speaking. What do you want to convey? If you want to convey something to your mom, that's your mother language, in your mother tongue only you convey language. You convey. Sometimes you are not able to convey through your emotions. Emotions also one kind of language. For example, if you are not able to convey, we have a text message, right? A text message should be either Malayalam, Telugu, Hindi, Urdu, whatever you can convey. And the thing is, if you are not able to convey, long ago, what was the communication? Letter.
Letters.
We are writing letters. That might be Telugu, Hindi, Urdu, whatever. You are writing letters, it reaching. So, overall, you have to convey something. Either by body language or written document or expressing your views in Telugu, Malayalam, Urdu, whatever the language, you have to express. You have to give them a clear message. Whether you are speaking clearly, loudly, confidently, that matters. Language, it doesn't matter. Whatever the language you speak, you have to speak with them or else you have to write with them. For example, you are writing. If the mistakes are there, the message goes wrong.
Yeah.
Write clearly. What is the language? So that is only communication. Communication in the sense, not the English. It's only communicating how you are communicating.
Yeah.
It might be body language, it might be Telugu, Hindi, Urdu, or something like that. Whatever you want to say clearly. You just express your views clearly. That in their own language. They have to understand what you want to say. That's it, nothing more than that.
Yes, sir. Here we can see there are so many people are going to spoken English classes.
Yes.
And learning English.
Yes.
But I've seen a reel or something.
Okay.
There is a tourist woman.
Sorry?
Tourist women.
Tourist.
Guide.
Okay, guide, right.
She don't even have a degree or something.
Yes.
But she's talking like a fluent English speaker. How it comes?
See, generally what happens, whatever you see, nowadays English only. Take for example, we say, what we say?
Sure.
Blazer or coat, something like that.
Yeah.
Shirt we are saying. Pant we are saying. We should go into Telugu. Can you say all these things? Connection matters, right?
Yeah.
So, English is very easy. The only one thing, words are with you all over around you. When you get up, everything you see in English only. We say it's a tablecloth. We say it's a table. We say a cup of coffee, right? We say the door. We say the window. We say the video. We say the TV. All the words are in English. So what is required here? You have to connect them. When you are able to connect, you can speak English. The connection is very much important, word to word. How you connect them. So it comes under practice, right?
Yes.
Different methods are there. So the only one thing, the thing is what you have to frame the right sentence, right? And mostly what happens, we don't get the people to speak. In that way, what you have to do? Either you have to read, or you have to watch, or you have to memorize, or you have to speak to yourself in front of the mirror, right? Or you make calls to the call centers, or you attend the office. So you meet the people around you, right? Whoever is, for example, take for example, children are there, school children. They come to you, give them a chocolate, get some gifts to them, small gifts, because they are English medium, right?
Yeah.
When you speak to them regularly, you get English. Adults, they don't speak English. They feel that work is important. When you join a job or when you are doing any task, what is their target is to finish their task, a
Yes.
project. That is it is whatever may be the language, but you'll get the language just because of children are reading books or watching videos or something like that. If it is regular, if it is regular practice, see, for example, you said it's a guide. She is a guide, right?
Yes.
She meets the clients regularly. For example, a foreigner comes to Hyderabad to visit Charminar, Golconda, somewhere like that. They know English. They are asking everything in English only. You have to explain English only regularly. Yes, you know the pattern. What they ask, what you have to give.
Give.
If it is regular pattern, it's easy to us. You start the initiative. Other person also starts the initiative. Means what? In the world, almost all, even from the scratch, means what? Even for the rickshaw puller, even from the taxi driver onwards, everyone knows English, but they don't communicate. They can understand. So whatever the question you are asking, you should ask in English. Whatever the answer you are giving, just give the answer in English. Commands, orders, requests, permissions, that should be in English. It's easy.
Okay.
We can do it.
Okay. You mean there is no necessity of going to spoken English classes?
I can say if you go, what happens? It's added advantage.
Yeah.
Why? Because there are a group of people.
Hmm.
10 members are there in a batch. Minimum 5 to 10 members are there. They are speaking. You can understand. Class teacher is teaching something. You can learn grammar, and you should know then where we have to use what. Right? So you can learn, and somebody is speaking. They'll conduct a group discussion. They conduct a debate. They conduct a role play or something like that. They give a role or something like you are a celebrity. I'm the reporter. I'm asking question. You are giving answer. I'm the police commissioner. You are a caller. You make calls. You can learn all these things if you attend attend classes. But without attending classes, if you are, it takes time, right? For example, you are preparing for civils. You have number of books. You went to Koti. You bought number of books. You refer the books. Will these books go into your head?
No.
It takes some time, right?
Yeah.
What is the shortcut?
Day by day, day by day.
It takes long time. For example, long back, I wanted to become assistant driver, trial assistant driver. I never went to coaching because I did not have money at that moment. I did not go to coaching. Then I tried 10 times, 10 years I tried. Only I reached to the written test level. I passed the written test, but I lost in psychology. Because of what? There is no coaching. It's
For
a shortcut,
psychology.
right?
Yeah.
You need focus. When you get the focus, when you go to coaching center, you sit there, refer the books, you ask the doubts, you have a group of people, you do. Your focus is only writing and getting the things done.
Yeah.
But when you are getting the books, you are sitting at home, someone calls you, right? You go out, friends, you hang out with friends, or you meet your, like, there are not a lot of diversions.
Out of focus.
Out of focus. So it is difficult to get, I think.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
You're welcome always.
సో చూసారు కదా వ్యూవర్స్, నరసింహ సార్ గారితో మనం మాట్లాడి తెలుసుకున్న విషయాలు ఇవి. సో ఖచ్చితంగా ఈ వీడియో మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి కూడా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఖచ్చితంగా వాళ్ళకు కూడా షేర్ చేయండి. అండ్ ఇలాంటి యూజ్ఫుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్తోని మంచి మంచి ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ మన ఛానల్లో వస్తాయి కాబట్టి మీరు ఛానల్కి కొత్తగా వచ్చినట్టయితే ప్లీజ్ డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ ఆ నోటిఫికేషన్ ఐకాన్ని ఆన్లో పెట్టుకోండి. అండ్ మరొక వీడియోతో మళ్ళీ ముందుకు వస్తాం. అంతవరకు సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్. బాయ్ బాయ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.